Hello friends, today we're gonna do some beautiful code in After Effects expressions. Okay, I'm just kidding. While Cecilia Erich Alike project is rendering in the back, I'm gonna show you how to do something like CC Studio have done a lot of time ago, about right now 68 weeks ago. We can do almost the same in After Effects. You can do you can approach the same visual in Cinema 4D much more easier without expressions, just by using MoGraph. Okay, let's open After Effects and do some new composition. We will have one null object which will be main control null, and we will have some fall off slider there. Fall off 192.108 is our size of our elements, which will behave like this. No matter what size you have, you will determine in scale how big or how small it will be. Just my kind advice that better not to make these frames full HD, because After Effects will say please no to you when you add so many photo or video, and everything will be full HD, even if the scale will be 10%. So estimate the maximum size. I think it's 1/10. Yeah, about this 1/10 of screen. And let's do these pictures 1/10 of screen. We also will add fill effect just to make it color, and let's do that all elements will have different color. And in color we will do something like this: seed random with index and true. What I'm doing right now is I'm telling to After Effects that random function, which will be next, will generate a random number only one time on the layer, not every second, just one time on the layer. And I want that it will make random color, so it will be 1, 1, 1, and 1. The alpha channel will be random, but this is no matter for now. Yeah, we will copy this effect and paste it here. So now all additional layers everybody will have its own color, just for us to make it beautiful. So I will create 24 layers. I think it will be enough for now. We have a lot of small elements. Let's say that this is maximum scale, so the minimum scale will be like that, 37%, so let's say 35. I like good round digits. Good and round digits. This element is first, this element is last, and then we will use a line to distribute layers. Bam. Yes. It will be somewhere in the center, in the middle. Yep. And going from here. We have null object. Let's make it up. And we have fall off. And I will also add new null, which will move everybody. So it called driver. Good name. All layers, let's change color that we can easier select everyone by 2 clicks. Yeah, easier. Yeah, easy. And what is easier is good. And this driver will move from here, Alt Shift P, and in 10 seconds it will go there. And we can add more elements. at any time. And one element which I want to add in the beginning is text layer, because this is the only way to debug expressions. Please, let's make it left flag. If you know how to call it in English, please change my words in your mind to correct one. Because yeah, sometimes it's better for me to speak in Russian, you know, when I want to describe something. What I want here the distance from me to the control null. Yeah, the distance. Distance is, we can use vector math, length, and we need 2 points, point 1 and point 2. Point 1 is we, but we connected to driver. What it's mean? It's mean that our coordinate is always constant. If I put here position, it will return to me the position, yeah, position, value, yeah. It will be the same all the way. So I need to use toComp function, and in toComp function just entry point coordinates, so it will be 0, 0. Yes, yeah, and now I have coordinates. So point 1, it's toComp 0, 0. Point 0 is the coordinates of control null. Bam. Dot position. It's not connected. It have no parent, so just position. And length L equals length P1, P0, no matter what you write, P0, P1 or P1, P0. Yeah, we have length. Here it's 26, it should be right. And we need in follow, we need to write what is the distance when the magic happens. I think the rest is just easy for you to do. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much. See you next time. Yeah. Follow. I will not write let, I will not write var, because I have no time for this. We need to do this very fast, very fast. Follow 0. Not good in code when you have 0. Sometimes good, but sometimes not. Follow is 0, and we need right now to understand the distance and what we're gonna do. So W, oh yeah, W, yeah, it's right. W, we have here linear, and the distance. So follow is it will change from no, not follow. L is length from 0 to follow. Yes, if we have follow, then width will be 0. This is not correct. It will not be 0, but we will add to scale number, so it will be added. We will add 0. Yeah, and if follow. No, wait a second. Now here we'll have big scale. So if we close to null, scale will be 100%. We have here 35. 100 minus 35 is 65. 65. And if we're far from null, it will be 0. So, is it work? No, it doesn't work. We have very small follow here. So follow will be bigger, about 300 pixels. Yes, if we're far from. Sometimes I even do circle just for me to understand the size of the follow. Easy to understand. Yeah, if we're far from here, 0, nothing happened. If we will be close to it, it will be 58 or more. So actually we can copy this code to scale, and the scale part is ready. And the scale part is very, very, very easy. Paste we have mistake here. Error. What we're gonna do here? The error here is because we need to write something like this: value plus the W and W. Now it works. Yeah, good. Copy expression, select label group, paste, done. Next, and we also can make on for example driver minimum and maximum scale to control it later. Now what we can do and what we will do with position. In position we need to do some more interesting math. For this we need we need to create vector, and this vector will be randomly distributed. So in which direction everybody will go. To make random static, as everybody know, I think now everybody know, we need to configure seed random and add index is as first argument and true as second one. True, yeah. Good. Now we need to make new variable rvec random vector, which is random and vector from -1 to 1 1, and the next one we need just to multiply W and rvec, and we can do it here or separately. What we have that now we have some vector upwards, downwards, left, right, and if we copy this copy expression only firstly to position in one element, and then copy expression only from position, and then make select label group and paste, we have some problem. And we have some problem why? Because we forgot original position of element, and we don't want to forget or forgot the original position of element. We need to add original position and our current position. Value is what's stored in original property, and we add value to our vector to original property. But in text layer, original property is text, so After Effects say, what the heck you want from me to do? Don't worry. Right, now copy expression only and paste to everyone. Wow, this is so great. And now we understand we have fall of size, and in position I think 65 is not enough. We need to configure the maximum distance. Also we can do it in our control nu, just yeah, and maybe 300 also will be good. Yes, 300. Let's check. Yeah, 300 is good. Copy expression only. Select everyone and paste. So now we have this. Is it good? I think that this is good. So the next step is to make back color is black, and change our nulls and change our solids to precomps, and put any kind of video to precomps, and have beautifully distributed layers in and if you want to add some new layers, this is so easy. When you know how to work with code, everything is so easy. Yes, everything is so easy, because you can do almost everything. We can just go here and duplicate layers. Very easy. Command D or Control D, depend on your religion. Yes, and also Command D. Yeah, what we have here is this. So thank you everybody. Thank you everyone for watching, and I think you understand how to do this according to almost the same technique, almost the same, just objects should travel along the path, and to travel along the path you need to understand method point on path. If you don't understand, comment, and in 1 or 2 years I will create a tutorial about this. As for this, I think you understand how we done it, how I approach it. For this, almost the same, and you can also use point on path. These are the same, just make grid of layers. Similar technique, similar technique, similar technique, similar technique. Okay, bye, see you next tutorial. So how to do like Cecil, let me see. How should I approach it? Or maybe I think something better than, or maybe this is not like Cecil done. Maybe this is something mine. No or yes? You don't understand.